Welcome to this simple step-by-step setup guide for your new Epson EcoTank ET-1913 printer. Setting up a new printer can sometimes feel a little overwhelming, but do not worry. We are going to walk through the entire process together step by step, from unboxing to getting your devices fully connected. To kick things off, let us unpack the printer. Carefully remove all the blue protective tape and packaging materials from both the outside and inside of the machine. Keep in mind that leaving even a small piece of protective tape inside can prevent the printer from working properly. So take a quick moment to double-check every compartment. Once this is done, connect the power cord firmly into the back of your printer and plug the other end directly into a wall outlet. Now that power is ready, we can move on to filling the ink tanks. Before you start, keep in mind that printer ink can stain clothing and surfaces, so it's best to handle the ink bottles gently. Go ahead and open the main printer cover to access the ink tank unit. Then open the cap for the specific ink color you want to fill first. Take the corresponding genuine Epson ink bottle, hold it upright, and carefully twist off the cap to prevent any spills. Next, insert the bottle straight down into the filling port for that exact color without squeezing or forcing it. The ink will automatically begin flowing and will stop on its own as soon as it reaches the upper line of the tank. If this happens where the ink does not start flowing right away, simply lift the bottle out and reinsert it straight into the port. Once the tank is filled to the top line, remove the bottle and securely snap the ink tank cap closed. After that, repeat these exact same steps for the remaining ink colors. If any ink remains in a bottle, simply tighten the cap securely and keep it stored upright for later refilling. Once this is done and all 4 tanks are filled and sealed, close the printer cover completely. Now press the power button to turn on the printer. To initialize the ink system, press and hold the ink setup button for about 5 seconds until you see the indicator light start flashing. This starts the initial ink charging process, which takes roughly 10 minutes. While this is happening, keep in mind that you should not turn off the printer or open any covers. Once the ink charging light stops flashing and stays steady, it's time to load your paper. Pull up the rear paper support at the back of the printer and slide out the edge guides. Then, grab a stack of plain letter or A4 paper and place it vertically in the center, with the printable side facing up. Next, adjust the edge guides so they rest snugly against the sides of the paper without bending it, and slide out the front output tray to catch your prints. Now that the physical assembly is complete, let us walk through downloading the full software and connecting your printer to your devices. If you want to set up wirelessly using a smartphone or tablet, open the App Store on iOS or the Google Play Store on Android and search for the Epson Smart Panel app. Download the app to your device, ensure your phone is connected to your local Wi-Fi network, and open it. Next, press and hold the wireless setup button on the printer until it flashes, and the app will automatically detect your printer and guide you through the remaining network configuration. Now, if you prefer setting up via computer instead, open your web browser and head over to support.epson.com. In the search bar, type in Epson ET-1913 and press Enter. Select your computer's operating system from the drop-down list, then click to download the full software driver and utility package. After that, open the downloaded installer file and follow the step-by-step prompts on your screen to connect your printer to your Wi-Fi network and install all necessary print drivers. Finally, your Epson ET-1913 is completely set up and ready for action. For independent assistance with printer installation, Wi-Fi connection, driver setup, software installation, or printing problems, contact our support team. Please keep in mind that this is an independent third-party support service and is not affiliated with, authorized by, or endorsed by Epson. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.